Hey everyone, what's up? It's the KDK collector here, and today I've got something that made me really excited. It's brand new in box. KDK KC40H Mark 1. Oh boy, am I so glad and excited to get it. So basically, the KC40H is the predecessor of the KU408, and it was made from 1993 to 2008. And in 2003 there was a huge redesign where the faceplate was changed. So I've seen the box of a KC40H Mark II before, and the KC40H and electric fan words are basically black instead of red, and the drawing of the wall fan there is also black. So when I saw this ad, I immediately shot a lot of brakes because I knew this was going to be a KC40H Mark 1. Now, this particular KC40H Mark 1 is from 2002, so it's probably one of the last remaining KC40H Mark 1s. But I think they were probably made until early 2003 too, considering the KY15B is also made until early 2003. So I got this fan from an Indian lady, and she told me that it was her wedding gift, but she didn't plan to install it. That's why she's selling. And when I asked her how come it's in its original box for like almost 20 years, and then she told me that it was actually from her neighbors, so it's probably her neighbors didn't plan to install it somewhere else too. So yep, I drove all the way from my house, my second house of course, to her place. It was a 3-hour drive, but for something like this, it was definitely worth it. Okay, so without further ado, let's take her out of the box. Oh boy, I've never been so excited to unbox a fan before. Especially if it's a Matsushita, one that's brand new in box, and if it's an old model like this. Would you look at that? This is probably one of the most, if not the most, immaculate KC40H Mark 1s that I've seen. Everything's still in their original plastic wrapping, and she's finally seen the light of day for 20 years. Yep, that's right, she's literally stayed in this box for 20 years. And it's not really her first time, because when I went to that lady's house, she told me to open it up and check, but still she's never been used for like 20 years. Now as you can see, there are a few smudges here, but that's not really that big of an issue. I can just clean it off with some alcohol wipes. Yep, begins with a 2, so she's from 2002. And yep, KC40H, very clean, very immaculate. Let's keep that aside, and we have the grills. So wide and immaculate. And there's even a KDK logo on this plastic bag, which we don't get that on the KU408. So yeah, I'm probably keeping this plastic bag. And it's still white. And it kind of feels more like a KC40H Mark II than a KC40H Mark I. And this the badge looks like light gray instead of white, but I'm not sure why the KC40H Mark I's badge gets yellowed easier than the KC40H Mark II's. Because like even though the KC40H Mark II's are more than 10 years old, they still hold up pretty well compared to the KC40H Mark I in terms of their badge color, but at least we still have a really nice looking one on the KC40H Mark I. Unfortunately, this clip over here has yellowed, but well, it's 20 years old, what do you expect? And you have the original warranty card. Oh, and this is what I'm excited the most. KC40H manual. I'm definitely going to scan this into my PC. And the blade, yep. Unfortunately, since this one's from 02, so this is basically the quote-unquote flimsy modern blade, but it still feels quite solid. Okay, so here's a walk around of the KC40H Mark I's body. Now here we have the blade securing knob and the wheel securing nut. We also have our protective tube or sleeve for the shaft, and here's the neck and the control panel. Now, fun fact, this sky blue faceplate actually first debuted on the KC40J, which was released 10 years before this fan was made. And to be honest, I really love the sky blue faceplates of the KC40H Mark I because blue is my favorite color. And it's like one of my childhood fans too. I've seen them a lot when I was young, and the plug still looks really immaculate. Also, here we have our barcode. Yep, starts with 2, so she is from 2002. We have our serum sticker and the label / model tag. Yep. Oh, and also here's the twister ties, which are original, and the pull cord still pretty immaculate apart from these spots right here. I'm not sure if I can clean them with an alcohol pad. I hope I can. But yeah, that's the body of the KC40H Mark I. Alright, so that's the 2002 KDK KC40H Mark I. So when I was unboxing this fan just now, I kind of had a feeling of deja vu, even though it's literally my first time unboxing a KC40H. But nonetheless, it's still a really interesting experience, considering that this fan has been sitting in its original box for nearly 20 years. And I'm glad that I was able to obtain this fan as my birthday present, because I really love unboxing Matsushita fans that are new old stock. So I'll film a dedicated video next time when I hook it up onto a wall, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And please remember to like, comment, and especially subscribe, because that would mean a lot to me.